Well, hello Tri-Hole Boat Club, and for that matter, anybody else who's going to be watching this video on YouTube. Had a member recently say, hey, why haven't you ever done a video like walk around of your boat? And I was like, why haven't I done that yet? So yeah, just a simple day. We're getting ready to go boating. Got the boat out of the garage here. I guess we could even just start right here. This is the best part about the boat, is my Merc 80. She's original to the boat, 1979. She starts every single time. She's a 2-stroke. I just love the sound she makes, and the hole punch is just phenomenal on this thing. But this prop right here clearly helps out a ton. So yeah, we love this motor. She just starts every single time. Very happy with her. I've had members ask me how I make the water glow blue behind my boat, so I had this out just so I can show everybody. This is boatpluglight.com, and that is a LED boat plug, and the thing's intensely bright. It does light up the water. It's a shame that it's pretty much illegal to run with that plug on, but it's perfectly legal to use it when not moving. But why I say it's a shame is it looks the best when you're up on a plane at night and the water's misting behind the boat. That's when it really shines. She's a little dirty right now, but you know, I use my boat a lot, so you know, pardon me for, like, you know, a little bit of the mud here and stuff, but she'll get cleaned up before we put her away for the end of the season. I have a 6-gallon that's down below the curtain there, and then I carry a backup 3-gallon. Sorry, got a bee in my face. And then I carry a backup 3-gallon here. I've only ran out of gas one time, but one was too many, and I really wanted to have a backup option. So we do keep the 3-gallon here, and very happy to have that at all times for peace of mind, if nothing else. Tri-Hole Boat Club, best Facebook group ever. But yeah, she's just cherry. Vinyl's all in perfect condition, with just the exception of the driver's seat top, where, you know, anybody sits a lot, and I do as well, so, you know, came with a little crack, but we'll get that fixed eventually. But yeah, this is what she looks like on the inside, and we're going to be launching her within the hour, and then I'll probably do a little bit more of a walk around while we're actually on the boat itself. But yeah, stay tuned. We got Scotty back there behind us, got Pete Castro next to me, and it's September 2020. They tell us the world's on fire, but we don't believe them because there's water below us.
You see the haze from the fires out west,
and smoke in the sky.
Kind of, not to show up on that, but
yep, the whole west coast is on fire right now. It's very sad, but we're gonna go fast.